All right, welcome to We Never Mind Academy. My name is Abraham Tushu. So before we dive in, I'm going to teach you on how to switch your account from personal account to business account. For the sake of this class, that's why I opened a new TikTok account. So as you can see, this is my new TikTok account. So I'm going to switch this account from personal account to business account. So by clicking on these three lines, so when you click on these three lines, then you also click on setting and privacy. So under setting and privacy, you click on account. When you click on account, you click on switch to business account. The reason why you need to switch to business account is for your ad to be effective, right? I will tell you the reason more and more as we proceed to our class. So now let us switch to business accounts. And then if your own is already on business account, no problem, you are on the right path. So, all right, then you click on next, then next, then you also click on next. So here, I'm asked to choose the category. So if your niche are here, let me say if you are into art and crafts, you can click it, beauty, but for my own sake, I'm doing education and training, so I'll click here. You can also click on order if your niche is not here. You can click on order if let's say these categories, none of them are your own, so you can click on order. So let me click on next. So at this junction, you need to add your email, and if you don't have any email, you can skip it. So, but for the sake of this video, let me just skip here. I have email, but let me skip it. So bio, let me just skip it. You can also put your bio, right? So that is that. Now we are now on business accounts. Okay, so let me close it. So the benefit of having business accounts is for you to have automated response. So I will teach you that, because when you will see my ad and message me on TikTok, you see that there's a message that pop up. So this only available for anybody on business account on TikTok. Now that we are on business account, let's confirm. Right, now that we are on business accounts, can you see that there's an option for us, business suite? Before, there's not business suite on our account, right? I mean, before there's no business suite on this account. So right now there's a business suite here now. So I'll click on this business suite. So under this business suite, that's where you can see analytics, growth center, creative hub, message center, get leads, promote, need help. So what we need to do now for us to have an automated response, we'll click on message center. So here's the thing. At this message center, we have 4 steps to take. We have chat prompts, welcome message, keyword replies, suggested questions. All right. So now we'll click on this welcome message. So at this welcome message, you can edit it. Can you see hi there? Thanks for contacting Abraham Tushu. That's my name. Feel free to ask a question here or leave a message. So you can edit there. I don't need to bore you by reading it to you. So you can edit it by clicking on this edit. So when you click on this, you only have 250 words to add here. Anyone that sees your ads and message you, from here you can direct them to anywhere you want them to buy from you. But don't put link. You can only put your phone number to direct them to any platform you want to sell your products. Kindly message me on WhatsApp. Then you put your phone number, right? Then this is my phone number. Because link doesn't work on TikTok. So don't send link. If you send link, TikTok will ban your ad. So this is where you will make it a place of directing your customers to your personal, to anywhere you want them to buy from you, right? So I will leave this here. Now, I just want to make this short. That's why I'm leaving this message so short like this. So I there, kindly message me on WhatsApp, right? So when you do this, you click on submit, right? You click on submit. So TikTok is going to preview it. TikTok is going to review it and then approve it. So can you see turn on welcome message? Then you click on turn on. All right. So anytime anybody message me on TikTok, as you all did, as you all see on my own personal TikTok, there will be a message that will pop up. So this is already set. Then we minimize. Oh, we are still there. Then what else again? We do keyword reply. So this keyword reply, you can only create four keywords that when people see and then they will click on it, it will be as a message to you. Then there will be a response from your end, maybe when you are not even online. So you click on create new. So when you click on create new, somebody might just easily tell you that send let's say account details. Let's say account details, right? So then you put your okay. Let's say for instance, right? Then you click on. So this is done. You can also put either as a, right? So anytime anybody just, this will be as a question, it will be as a message that will send to you, and then you click on it. So this will be the response, the account details. So you click on submit. Okay. So can you see? You can also add more. All right. So let's go to another one. So you can suggested questions. So somebody can easily say, where is your store located? So you can click where is your store located? Then you put the address, let's say you can put your address and all that, but I'm not going to do this. So you can put your address, then you click on submit for review, right? So let me discard. So somebody can also said so that is that for suggested question. Maybe they want to ask where is your office located and all that. So chat prompts. Under this chat prompts now, you click. Great. So under this chat prompts, this will be as a message that they will see and they will click on it, and then the message you leave here is going to be the response that they will see. Let's say question one. Like let's say question one. So how can I buy? Okay, let's say how can I pay for your products? Right. So click on submit. So anytime anybody sees this question, these are the questions they will see and they will click on it. Then you're able to respond to your clients or your customers on TikTok. So this is how to set up your accounts. The step for you to have a conversion ad on TikTok. So let's move to the next one. So this is how to have a business account properly, setting up an automated respond and also switching your account from personal account to business account, and also have animated respond for your buyers on TikTok. So let's go to the next one.